Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a great hack on how to take easy, any cheap or whatever brand box brownie mix you have and make them ooey gooey and definitely delicious. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. You guys know me know I'm always looking for a cheat or something quick so that I can hurry up and get the food done because I don't like cooking, but I do this as a hobby. I have an insatiable sweet tooth. Now this hack is going to make it sweeter, but I do have a trick if you're somebody who doesn't like sweet stuff. So I'm using Ghirardelli chocolate supreme brownie mix, but you can use Betty Crocker, any kind you want. I'm going to follow the box instructions, which require some oil, egg, water, and I'm going to add some semi-sweet chocolate chips. That's going to make it even sweeter, but like I said, I love sweet stuff. And the hack is the Eagle brand condensed milk. So any kind of brownie mix you're using, you want to add 3/4 of a cup of Eagle brand condensed milk. The only drawback is you got to wait longer to eat them because they have to cook a little longer. I have a tin pie pan baking dish that I've lined with parchment paper for easy removal. But you can use glass or just follow the box instructions, whatever brownie mix you have or pick. But definitely add the Eagle brand condensed milk, 3/4 of a cup. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and let's get cooking. Okay, so whatever box you're using, you want to follow the instructions on the box. Only thing I'm going to do different is add the Eagle brand condensed milk. So this box requires that you put the water, which is 1/4 of a cup of water, in the bowl. You're supposed to add 1 egg, and then you add 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. See, this is really easy. I thought this was the bomb hack to show you guys for anybody that loves brownies like myself. Okay, and then you want to stir this and get this well mixed. This is weird. I've never seen it like this before. You mix this in before you add the brownie mix. Then you add the brownie mix to this. This is Ghirardelli. Like I said, you can use Betty Crocker. The only reason I got this is because it came with a chocolate syrup pack. And I thought that would be something a little extra to do. And then you add that in. Then you're supposed to add in the chocolate syrup. I thought about saving this and adding it on at the top at the end, but I was afraid that it would mess up the recipe. So that's why, like I'm telling you, to follow the box instructions, whatever kind of brownie mix you get, go with that. And then you want to mix this all together. And to this, you want to add 3/4 of a cup of Eagle brand condensed milk. This ensures that whatever brownie mix you have, it will be ooey and gooey and definitely not dry like your normal box cake mixes can be. So I'm going to add 3 of these. I didn't want to get a cup out and try and guesstimate. I wanted to keep this exact because, you know, baking is a science. Cooking is an art. So things that aren't measured properly a lot of times do not turn out as they should. So that's why I'm measuring this precisely. Now you guys, if you know my channel, you know I'm always looking for something quick weeknight or a quick meal because I'm usually cooking 90% of the time for just myself because my husband isn't here. We work off shifts. And I thought this would be something great. Now he won't be happy about this. He works out 3 times a week, 5 times a week, and he's big time healthy eater. I'm not. It's a disclaimer. I know I'm a nurse. I should be showing you guys healthy things, but basically my channel is about really delicious, quick meals that for the working mom or somebody who has a lot of children and just doesn't have time to do a lot of cooking but wants some good stuff. So this is the 3/4 of a cup I'm adding in here. Then you mix this all together. And I did line my tin sheet with parchment paper, like I said. I'm debating on if I should spray it with some Pam or not, but I should be okay. following the instructions. So then I'm just going to mix this all together. I have a whisk. Get this all nice and mixed. And this is a cheater method. When I found this hack, I was in love because a lot of times brownies are really, really dry. And that's the bad part about them. And when I tried this with the Eagle brand condensed milk, it totally killed that myth of worrying about if they were going to be dry or not. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and get this really mixed up really good. And you want to stay with me. You know, I got a great joke for you guys. And those that know, I always upload 2 videos a week and include an inspirational quote and tell a crazy joke at the end. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and get this mixed up. I'll be right back. Okay, I have this all mixed. And of course, the recipe doesn't call for it, but I have a lot of leftover things from cooking certain recipes, and I hated for these to go to waste. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup of semi-sweet. I started to use the dark since this is already going to be sweet, but I decided not to do the milk chocolate because, like I said, adding the Eagle brand condensed milk does make it sweeter. I also wanted to let you know if you're worried about it being too sweet for you, you don't like sweet stuff, then go with a tablespoon of cocoa powder added to this recipe, and that will tame down adding the Eagle brand condensed milk. And slide my pan over and go ahead and put this in here. My oven is preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that would be Celsius. And these are supposed to cook for 40 to 45 minutes according to the box. But like I said, you're going to have to adjust the time because adding the Eagle brand condensed milk, I do know it adds time to it. But you want to watch for when the edges pull away. I'm going to try and show you in the oven. And you get some crackling. And that's when you know that your brownies are completely done. I'm going to definitely check them with a toothpick in the middle also. So there it is. Get these all smoothed out. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, get this in the oven, and come back and show you how it turns out. And don't forget, stick around for my joke. Okay, everyone, I'm going to get them out of the oven. It took a complete hour in my oven. Show you what they look like. And I did the toothpick test several times. This way you see holes poked in here. And it's pretty much clean except for an itty bitty tip at the bottom. But I didn't want to go any further because I didn't want to dry out my brownies. So I'm going to get the camera set up and turn the camera around and take some pictures and tell you guys my joke. And I forgot to tell you, using the Eagle brand condensed milk, it imparts a certain caramel flavor to it that gives it an extra kick that you guys might enjoy. Something a little different. I'm trying to put you guys up on stuff. Those of you who watch my channel. So I'm going to put you guys on pause, let these cool, cut them, and then I'll come back, take some pictures, and tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. Johnny sits at the bar staring at his drink when a large troublemaker biker steps up next to him, grabs his drink, gulps it down in one swig, and menacingly says, "Well, thank you. What you gonna do about it?" "I didn't think you'd cry. I can't stand to see a man crying. What's your problem?" "This is the worst day of my life," Johnny says. He says, "I'm a complete failure. I was late to a meeting and my boss fired me." He said, "When I went to the parking lot, I found my car had been stolen and I don't have any insurance. I left my wallet in the cab I took home. I found my wife cheating on me in our room with my brother. And then my dog bit me. So I come to this bar to work up the courage to put an end to it all. I buy a drink, drop a capsule in it, and sit here watching the poison dissolve. And then you show up and drink the whole thing. But enough about me. How's your day going?" Yeah, that's a pretty good one. That's pretty sick. But anyway, like I said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please come back for the next one. And I'm planning a giveaway, so you want to keep checking on me from time to time. I'm not sure what I'm going to do the giveaway. I'm trying to put some things in place. But thanks for watching, and thank you. I have over 1,000 subscribers, and have a good evening, and God bless.